So I've just arrived in Rome. I had a bit of a nightmare when it came to my baggage. So I've just arrived in Rome. I had a bit of a nightmare when it came to my baggage. So I was following a load of people off of my flight and they were on a connecting flight. So I went out Terminal 1 and then trying to get back through. Wouldn't let me back in. So I had to go out all the security, all the way out of Terminal 1, walk along to Terminal 3, go through security again, and I got my bag back. And now Mr. Murray is here, so I'm going to go meet him now. He should be downstairs, so we'll go and meet him and greet him, I suppose. But yeah, welcome to Rome.
I've done that once in Norway, and yeah, never again. That's when I learned to never follow the crowds.
So I just sent a voice message to the group chat that we're all in, and that's David just replying that don't follow the group. But I didn't know. Like, I just seen them all going, and I just thought, wow, they're going where I'm going. So never do that again. Wasn't too bad a flight actually. It took, well, I had Impulsive podcast on, and I had Gary V, and it was on for like it was supposed to be on for 2 hours 15 minutes or something like that, and like hour 30 minutes, hour 25 minutes, people start putting the seats up in front of me, and I thought, what are they doing? Like everybody at once just went up. I was thinking, bloody hell. But it was for landing, so I don't really know when I started listening to it. I tried to look back in the group chat as to when I sent a message to David and said, oh, when will you be landing? I'll wait for you. But it was literally so quick, considering it's supposed to be 2 hours 40 minutes, I think. But we were delayed quite a bit, so I don't know if they tried to make up some of the time. It's absolutely roasting there. I'm glad I'm in some shorts, to be honest, and a t-shirt. I did bring a jacket with me, but it's just roasting. I went out, well, I suppose I had to run, so I was running from Terminal 1 to Terminal 3 because of my baggage. I just thought, oh, last thing I need is that to be getting lost. So I ran from there, and it's roasting outside. I don't know what temperature it is. Let's have a look. I don't even know how far ahead they are either in time. It's 9:45 now, 28 degrees. Jeez. Yeah, it is hot. So we'll just wait for David now. David will be coming out any minute. We haven't got a taxi driver this time. We're going to jump in a cab and then go to the Holiday Inn in Rome. So it's just outside Rome. It's not in the centre. So I won't be getting any like views really from the hotel or the city centre, which is a bit gutting. But I'll have to come back here and see what it's all about. But yeah, it seems really nice so far. Very warm anyway. This airport is like Heathrow. It's absolutely massive. I don't know how many terminals there are. I don't know if there's 5 like Heathrow, but it's absolutely huge. But it shouldn't be too long. He'll probably know. He's probably been here before. I'll tell you why I'm here in Italy. We are going to be doing a look and learn and a show all about 70s inspired hair, and it's called Distinguished. So Alberto, who is on the European design team and colour, I think he does both, he's come up with a sort of like a concept called Distinguished, and it's inspired by the 70s, and we've got between 4 and 6 models. I've seen a handful of them in the sort of group chat, and they all look great. It's just a case of when we get to see them tomorrow, what we're going to do with it. So David's going to be doing the haircuts, I'm going to be doing the colours, and then we're going to come up with something really cool. But I'm thinking for one of them, I think one is blonde. I think she's got a bit of breakage though. I'd love to have her sort of looking like Debbie Harry, sort of like a dirty blonde, a bit rooty, dirty blonde, that sort of thing. Big trend right now as well, little root stretches, but it's something to sort of say where it comes from. But having a dirtier blonde, so a bit more rawer, like when we bleach it up, we've got that yellowness to it, but a bit tonal, but not so much. That's what I'm thinking for one of them. For another one, I really want to, whenever I think of the 70s, I think of like ginger hair, copper hair. So I want to do that on 1 or 2 of them. I want to do sort of, if we can get one curly, I'd love to pick out some of the curls and have them sort of pop in with a lighter copper more like a peach, and then maybe have the depth in there. And then another one, possibly a bob, sort of like a really intense copper with probably some panelling working through there. And then another one, if we get to do another one, I just really love, I can't remember who it was, but she just had really thick, dark, glossy hair. And I think if we can make one look super, especially in Italy, a lot of them have got dark hair, if we can make one look really healthy, really thick, really glossy, but with an accent of something. So it might be formulation, it might be, I don't know, it might be like a darker root again, and then lighter pieces, or it might be maybe like a money piece, but a money piece working on like 3 levels. Nothing sort of like blonde and dark, maybe something just really subtle, but something really wearable. Something like that, really. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. They're headed, Alberto and Elise, I think it is, are heading to the hotel now. They won't get there till 11:30, so me and David will be there, I think, a bit soon. I don't even know where we are, to be honest, in relation to the hotel. We've just got to jump in a taxi, and then we'll see what's going to be happening. But yeah, looking forward to it. Looking forward to meeting all the creative team for Italy as well. And I don't speak a word of English. Word of English, no, I don't either. Don't speak a word of Italian. So it will be interesting. I only know a swear word, but I'm not going to say that. But yeah, the door keeps opening in front of me because I was waiting for Mr. Murray. But I just sent him a voice note and said about my nightmare with my baggage. I can't believe that. And then when I got to the Terminal 1 security, he was like, going to let me through? And he said, no, he's not coming through. Something about my passport. I think because it's brand new and there's nothing in it, apart from when I was in Holland last, but I don't think they stamped it. I think it's just a sticker. But yeah, you hear my voice, I'm so thirsty. So yeah, looking forward to getting a drink. Not alcoholic, just something wet. I'm hungry as well, but it's late. I think that's what the Italians do, they eat late. Although every shop and restaurant here is closed. So, could just go and have some tapas. Yeah, so I'll check in a minute. The Murray coming out these doors any minute. Just said, just waiting on his bag. Is this in? No. They don't look Irish.